Hello there and welcome to another video with your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. In this video, I'm going to show you Clickbank affiliate marketing step by step. So, in my previous videos, I've shown you a lot of weight loss niches, offers. In this video, I want to switch it up and show you how you can actually target a more specific niche. And the niche that I'm talking about is people like yourself looking to make an online income. So here we are on clickbank.com. And today I am in the e-business and e-marketing. If you don't know how to get here, let me scroll down for you. As you can see here on categories, you just come all the way down, click on e-business and e-marketing, and this should be the front of your page. After I'm assuming that you've already logged into your account. I'm already signed into my account. But here are just a few offers. Now the first thing that you want to do, you do not sort results by popularity. You want to sort it by gravity. This means the amount of people that are looking for this offer, that are promoting the offer, and that are having success with this offer right now as we're talking about as of this moment. So let's scroll on down, see if we can find something good. For most offers, I like to go for something that's low ticket. What I mean by low ticket is it's in the range between it depends on your budget, but I say anywhere from $10 through $30. But that's just a way for them to get them in the door. But once you get through that, there should be some upsells and downsells for you to go through, or that they should be able to go through depending on the sales funnel. So let's continue scrolling on down. It's an offer from John Cristani. He's pretty good in the affiliate marketing offer. Alright, it says that I have this in my favorites, so let's give this a look. The Clickbank passive income for 2019. The gravity of this offer is $50. It's 50%, and it also has an average rebuild total. An average rebuild total means that either every 2 weeks or once a month, the person that you get to sign up for this offer will get billed. Just think of it similar like how you watch Netflix and Hulu, how you get a bill for that to continue using their services to watch on their streaming platform of the content they choose. Well, for this offer, they will get charged $137.78 a month for this offer right here. So it's piqued my interest. Let's take a look at it and see what we got here. So, I know I said that I wanted to check out a low ticket offer, and this is obviously a high ticket offer, seeing that it's $100-something a month that they're going to be charged. But I'll show you a low ticket offer for the video.
The CB Passive Income License has been the turnkey system to make money online for the past 5 years.
Sorry. So, now that I've paused the video, you see that it's already engaged and opened the doors for those who's interested. Has a video. Obviously they knew that we was gonna skip the video, so it says read the script of the video below. Best offer of Wake Up Millionaire. So let's keep going. Story started back in 2013. Clone everything. So basically, this looks like a man who's already put everything together. They say it works for my customers, especially for newbies. It said it's not easy to create a landing page, attractive but free offer. Alright, so basically what it looks like is this man is going to give you everything that you would need for the Clickbank passive income. So this is pretty much what you're getting. This is what you get right here. It's going to be traffic training videos, paid advertising guides, social media marketing training, step-by-step getting started tutorial, free update and support. Then on this side, the back office software system. This is where you make money on the back end, probably through email marketing and whatnot. Secret clone web page. So he's going to give you an automatic landing page, sometimes known as an opt-in page for those to put their emails in. Automated prospect follow-up system. So he already has an email marketing system in place for them, already generated with email responses. I'm sure that all you pretty much have to do is just insert your affiliate offer along with also your tag for your emails, automated monetization system that's interested, mobile optimized lead capture page, and an instant funnel. So he's showing you how you need to go about making a sales funnel, doing email marketing from the back end. With if you heard the phrase "the money's in the list," this is primarily what they're talking about. And then on this side, he shows you how to use paid advertising and social media to get the traffic to come to the landing page. So far, this looks like a pretty good offer. Say if you don't need to write, produce any content, you don't need to create any courses, you don't got to create any products to sell, don't got to write any sales letter, not to pay for hosting or autoresponder, don't need to send emails at all, don't need to provide any customer service, don't need to research what products or affiliate programs to promote, you didn't even need to learn internet marketing, only one task. Overall, this looks like a solid landing page. It says step 1, fill in your inside Clickbank passive income dashboard. Your page is cloned. Send traffic to your clone page. Alright, so yeah, he's going to give you a built-in landing page for the Clickbank offer, or his Clickbank offer that he already has for you. You just got to import your Clickbank ID, which is also your login, not your password, but just the login or username that you use to input, so that you make sure that you're the one who's receiving the money to get paid. Step 2, you send traffic, so you'll probably use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, maybe Pinterest if you know how to do it, and you'll just send it to the landing page. Step 3, collect your Clickbank commissions. So this looks like a good offer. Definitely something that I'm interested in promoting. It caught my eye because I didn't know that it was already on my favorites. And okay, so now you've seen what a high ticket offer looks like from start to finish. So what we're gonna do is, let's check this out. This is a good, I'll add this to favorites. This looks like a good low ticket offer. It's only $15.17 to get in. The gravity on this is 95%, so this is interesting. That means that this is quite successful for many other affiliate marketers. So let's see what all the hubbub's about.
You might have heard how a few affiliate insiders are making thousands of dollars per day on Clickbank, Amazon, and JVZoo, and how they're doing it with automation and artificial intelligence. They automatically choose an affiliate program, automatically get traffic, and make huge automated commissions. I should know, because I'm one of the insiders. Using automated bot technology...
Alright, so I'm just going to stop the video right there. Amazon affiliate marketing isn't what people think it is. If you was to start out on Amazon affiliate marketing, you will only make 2 to 5% sales. 2 to 5% of each sale that you help generate. So if you're selling something for, let's say, $50 and you only getting 5%, you're looking at less than $5 a sale, or around $5. But I'm pretty sure that's less than $5 because 10% of $50 is $5. So yeah, you're looking at $5 or less. But that's just my insight on Amazon affiliate marketing. If that's something that you want to do because you're just getting started or you're beginning to get associated with affiliate marketing, it's a good way to start, but it's not profitable for the long term. Short term, yeah, it'll help you get your feet wet, and you're working with the biggest e-commerce store, let alone the biggest store ever, online or offline, Amazon. But yeah, Amazon affiliate marketing is not something that I recommend unless you're just getting started. But just keep in mind that the profit margins are really slow. Like I said, 2 to 5%. So this offer looks like it's promoting artificial intelligence with using software bots to help you with affiliate marketing. It works with Clickbank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. February, making 1K a day on Clickbank. So it's a lot of ebooks he has right here. So it says, as you read this, with Clickbank, Warrior, JVZoo, email, Google, and YouTube. So it looks like generate affiliate commission spikes with free traffic, complete PDF and videos for newbies or advanced, unlock 700K traffic opportunities with AI search engines for affiliate, e-com, social, local, SEO, PPC, and more, which PPC and SEO stands for. PPC stands for pay-per-click, SEO stands for search engine optimization. It said explore your site's money, turn any visitor into a buyer with 10 widgets. Just copy one line of code to your website. And interesting. My computer crashed that page real fast, so allow me to reload up the page, and I'll continue to tell you about this, because like I said, I was looking for a low ticket affiliate offer just to, get them in the gateway.
You might have heard how a few affiliate insiders are making
yeah, so we've heard that already. Let's scroll on down, see what else he has to offer. So the landing page looks nice. It has a good setup. They do a good job of describing what's all included for $15, which isn't a bad starting point. And my computer's just going to keep crashing this page. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to exit out of there, come back. So now that we have our offer, even though my computer didn't load, but you got a basic rundown. If you were to promote this as an affiliate, right down here, this is what you need to look for. After you hit promote, after you decide that, okay, I got an offer, I want to promote, this is what I need to do. He has multiple offers, but if you ever see something like this pop up, that just means that they have different types of offers that they're promoting at once. Pretty sure that these are just the upsells and downsells, but this is the offer that I want to promote, the affiliate funnel bots. You're welcome to promote this as well. Click on generate hop links, come down here, copy code, boom. Now, once you've found the offer that you want to promote, you copy the link, you copy where you want to promote it, you want to go right here where it says affiliate page. These are the tools that the people who create the offers have to help you along with promoting their offers. So they're not just leaving you open hand and say, all right, here's the offer, go out and promote it yourself. They're going to give you some strategies and some ways for you to test this with what they've seen the best results were for them. So it says you can earn 60% plus commissions plus $7,000 cash. Watch this video while I promote. So you can sign up here if you haven't already. And this is just a short rundown. You can get $1,000 first place, $500 second place, $250 third place. It has email swipes for you, IM, which stands for Internet Marketing Best Subject Headers. Just gotta scroll down. Looks like, oh, there, I had the email set up for you. So yeah, this is really a bunch of copy and paste. You just gotta send it to your email list. I say it typically takes anywhere from 6 to 24 emails before a person gets to like, know, and trust you. It just depends on the amount of content that you're able to provide. But that's just a brief rundown of how affiliate marketing for beginners step-by-step goes. Let me know your thoughts and comments below in the video. Definitely make sure to like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. It's been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. I'll see you in the next video.